Hey, welcome back to VictorEric Design Build. Today, for a special behind the scenes, I'm going to take you to Saddle River, New Jersey. So I'll just give you a quick glimpse of it and the transformational renovation that we're going to be doing here. So this is the master bedroom with the beautiful vault. And what I decide to do here with the design is we're going to create an archway framing. So we're going to create an archway that frames and centers onto this vault, and then diagonally across from it we'll create another archway opening, shift it over a little bit into the master ensuite. And what's beautiful about that is you're going to get a diagonal sight towards the back with all the beach trees and the scenery. Super private but gorgeous in the fall with all the colors. So this master ensuite just doesn't work with the current layout, and what I opted to do instead is we're going to shift this vanity over, split it into a his and a hers. We'll put one more on this side, but the anchor piece is this window. This is going to be a 12-foot window, and I want to see a freestanding bathtub right here anchoring that view, and then we're going to have our foyer centered onto that. So once you come in around into the ensuite, you're going to be greeted with this gorgeous view. And this whole space with the vanity, this tub, and the sink will be kept in the open. No doors, just a big 6 or 7 foot opening. And then I'll create a private space here, which will have the toilet room, the shower, steam shower, and a makeup table there with an extra window towards the view, and that will have a bit of a corridor into the private space. Over here, this current walk-in closet, we're going to expand and punch right through to there. We'll remove this wall, and that's going to just make this dressing room just ginormous, and really that's the beauty of it. We'll split it his and hers on the other side. This window here will bring in the morning light, and we'll have a lower counter or bench seat here, capture that light into the walk-in closet. And on this side we'll have hanging and hanging on both sides, and this will be the dressing room. This is another beautiful room. I am proposing this to be the second master's, and this is probably the best view in the house. You've got this side looking through, and it's just gorgeous. You see the pool, you see the valley towards the back there with that pond. You've got all these beautiful trees that just bring in the colors. You've got this beech tree which creates this nice canopy here, and all of this ceiling here is just gorgeous. I can't wait to see this done, but this will be magnificent. We're proposing to put the dressing room over there and really to create a double, and to create a second master here. Punch a dormer here, which is gorgeous. We'll have hanging closets here, hanging closets here, and then it'll come and extend into here. And what we'll do is we'll frame this space in a little bit to create a separation. And the washroom here we will expand a little bit more, bring this wall over and punch the door into here instead, because we want to be greeted by that window instead of coming off to here. And in this space, what we'll do is we'll create a shower here and then a freestanding tub, and we'll move so this tub will be moved over here, and the toilet will stay here towards the window. That will be the vanity. So this old kitchen will get removed, and then we're actually going to extend into that space. That's the additional part. We're going to add on about 20 feet wide and about 35 feet long on that side, and that's gonna open up this space. This will become the dining room centered on that double-sided fireplace. This will be the family room centered on that double-sided fireplace, and this whole additional wing will become a great room connected to a French kitchen, modern country kitchen style. So this space here was where the architects proposed to put stairs down to basement. I really felt that was a wrong move. There's gonna be way too much railings here that interrupts this whole visual flow coming into the foyer. I want this to be all open, so instead I'm proposing to put a dining table here instead, a very large dining table. We'll open this up. And the problem with this old house is it's all 8-foot ceiling, but my client actually had a great vision to bring in a lot of vaulted ceilings. We did that in the foyer already, and we're going to be doing that with this addition. So right here will be the fireplace for the great room facing the other side, and on the other side of the wall we'll be opening up some cathedral ceilings in there, so that'll make this 8-foot ceiling feel not as bad, because a lot of the spaces are punched up, and that'll be quite beautiful.
All right, so I hope you liked that video. It's a very interesting build, and our client trusted us enough to get us from Vancouver to look at this because he really enjoyed working with us in his Vancouver project. Now we're going to be able to help him turn this house into an amazing space. Make sure you follow and subscribe so you can get more behind the scenes as we finish off the design of this project.